Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel G-DoesIt. My name is Given Mbata, and if you are new here, welcome to the DIY family. And if you love your home, trust me, you're gonna want to subscribe to this channel, so please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous love and support and for clicking on this video. So as you've seen from the title of the video, guys, we are going shopping today. I'm so excited. So we're going shopping today for my DIY tools. Like I mentioned on my first video, the intro, I did say that I've got absolutely no experience in handling any tools. So that means I've got no tools at all. Well, except for like the really basic tools like a screwdriver, but that's about it. I've probably only got a screwdriver in the house. Anyway, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's go shopping. And we are back. Okay, I'm back, guys, and I'm very tired. So I do have a little bit of advice for you guys. I do think that if you're going to buy your tools, it's probably best for you to write a list. So you have a list of the tools you're looking for. Go to the websites, compare pricing. So when you go, you know exactly what you're looking for, and you don't have to now roam around the whole hardware store looking for what you want. So that you know what to expect when you get there and you don't get any surprises. So first, before I show you guys what I got, I'm going to show you some tools that I already had at home, which is not much, but I'm going to show you what I already had. So I had a hammer. I did have a hammer, and I don't remember where I got this and when I got this, but I know I've always had a hammer. Screwdrivers, a flat screwdriver, and the star screwdriver, a stapling gun. Yeah, that's all. So now I'm going to show you the tools that I bought today. Okay, so firstly, let's see. Chisel, 22mm with chisel. Let's just cut it open and see what it looks like. Chisel. I don't know if you guys can see. 22mm with chisel. Cool stuff. Okay, and then every DIY should have a tape measure, because you're going to be taking a lot of measurements, so you definitely need this. You're definitely going to need this. A tape measure. I got the 5 meter tape measure. Let me just cut this open. So I'm struggling with this. I don't know why.
One eternity later.
Finally, there we go. It focused, yeah. It's a 5 meter tape measure. Okay, enough now. So it's a tape measure. Wood clamps. Well, clamps. I got clamps as well. I feel like I'm going to be using these as well. I don't know, but a lot of DIY videos I've watched, I've seen a lot of them use clamps. I just went for the cheapest range, and you don't have to buy the most expensive thing, guys. You can just buy whatever works, man. That's not professional advice, by the way. I am not a professional. I'm just thinking you don't need to buy the expensive stuff. Drill. This is for the drill. So I got this for the drill. By the way, you don't need to get all of this. I just got what I could get at the moment. I'm not saying these tools I have here are the tools every DIY beginner needs to have. I just going with the tool that I feel like I will use, I will need mostly. And this is not all of them. There's still more I want. I just couldn't get it at the moment due to my budget. So as I buy more, I will definitely be sharing with you guys what new tools I've got. And then I got this drill, 500, what is this, heat 500 impact drill. It says ideal for home use, so they did advise this for me, for, you know, because I don't think I'm going to be doing some heavy stuff. So yeah, and see it inside. Okay, so this is the operating manual. I will read through this much later, or before I handle any of these tools. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Get this drill in promotion, so yay me. Anything to save the coins. Yeah. And there we go. The drill. Yay. A sander. Open. I don't know why I'm gonna struggle opening things or boxes. What is inside? It also comes with the user's manual. Oh, I think they gave me a free. Came with the sanding paper. Oh, it came with the sanding paper for free, so nice. Well, not for free, I technically did pay for this, but it came with the sender and the manual and then the actual sender. What color is it? Let me see. Oh, it's black. It's nice. Let me see, how does it work with this? Let's check it out. Do I just stick it? Clearly not. Guys, how does this work? Okay, you know, I'm gonna have to read the manual on how this works. This is the sender. Love it. All my tools, this was the most expensive one, and I still got it on sale, I mean on promotion, and it was the most expensive. So it's a Bosch Jigsaw. It's GST 650, 450 watts. Also got an operating manual. Oh, and it comes with a blade. It comes with a blade. It comes with one blade. Oh, that's nice because I actually didn't buy a blade. So it comes with one blade. Very nice. Okay. Oh, it is quite heavy. Ooh, you don't have to buy an electronic jigsaw unless you really can afford to buy one at that moment, because it is quite a pricey tool. So you can always use the hand jigsaw. I just didn't want to use that because I'm not very strong. So I didn't want to use the hand jigsaw. So yeah, this is pretty nice, I guess. Did purchase another drill bit This is a 3.2 millimeter drill bit. That is all the tools I purchased today. So thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you've got any advice or how I can handle these tools, although I will be reading the operating manual, but if you've got any advice with the tools I did purchase, if you think I made the good choice, the tools I bought, bad choice, whatever it be, whatever you suggest. Thank you so much for watching until the end. This is the end of the video. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it helped you in any way, if it is gonna help somebody, please share it with that somebody. If whatever. So thank you so much.